for a good food development, you have to have love for food, and then you know how to eat. So I know how to eat, I know how to cook. So that was the easy thing. I think as a chef, you always want to be connected to food. And for me, it's always been like that. My name is Rishi Anand, and I am the head of research and development in Dishoom for food. When I joined Dishoom, my background was a Pan-Asian chef. I have a visa left for 2 years. I'm gonna get my visa done and I'm gonna just fly off. And see, it's been 10 years, I'm here. So that means that something I find which doesn't let me go. That thing is the feeling of the family, which I get from Dishoom. Sea kebab is one of my favorite dish. So as a child, I was very foodie, and I remember every Sunday going to the sea kebab shop and eating that kebab. That smell, you can smell that kebabs cooking from at least half a kilometer. I think that's what takes me back to that. I think the favorite thing about Dishoom is people and how we keep each other, respect each other, and support each other. And it's just amazing to see that journey. The family we have created in this 10 years is just amazing.